She's a 10, but she wears glasses.
Still a 10.
Yeah?
Yeah, easy, still a 10. No way people discriminate against people with glasses.
Okay. She's a 10, but she's obsessed with her boss. She's obsessed with work. She's just got a good work ethic.
Oh yeah, 10.
She's a 10, but she doesn't speak English.
That may be a bit difficult. She can still be a 10 and not speak English.
Okay, so she's a...
10?
Okay.
Why are you laughing?
She's a 10, but she wears jeans and overalls 100% of the time.
Are you describing someone? She's a 10, but she wears jeans and overalls all the time.
Apart from, when they go to sleep. But in the day, jeans and overalls.
3.
She's a 10, but she's small.
How small?
Just like small. Just like pretty small.
Like 5'2" small?
A bit smaller than that.
7.
Okay. She's a 10, but she'll literally steal the moon for you.
Have you described minions?